Hi, Harding students and families. This video tutorial is to help you schedule meeting conference times with individual teachers. I will be using my account as an example throughout this video, but please note that some things may look different if you're using the Schoology app or using an internet browser. Also, students, make sure that you help your families with this because you are the experts at using Schoology. The easiest way to schedule times for conferences is to have the student log into their Schoology account by either going to schoology.spps.org or by using the Schoology app found on their iPad. Once in Schoology, go into each course and locate a folder about conferences. When that folder is found, open it and then open the file about conference information. This informational page will look different for each teacher, but should contain the same basic information. Harding High School will have conferences on Thursday, October 22nd, 2020 from 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock p.m. and on Tuesday, October 27th during the same time. Conferences will be different this year because of distance learning, which means they will be held online via Google Meet. Please click on the link below to be directed to my Calendly.com page to set up a 10-minute conference with me. Thank you. So go ahead and click on the link and it'll be directed to Calendly.com. Once there, locate the calendar on the right side of the screen and you'll see two dates highlighted in blue, October 22nd and October 27th. Pick whatever day is convenient for you to meet with the teachers. Go ahead and click on the date and you'll notice that a bar with a bunch of different times opens up to the right of it. Pick a time that works for you, but make sure it does not overlap with any other times that you have already scheduled. We'll go ahead and click on, let's say, 5 o'clock. You'll see a little blue button that comes up that says confirm. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be directed to another page, and on this page, please enter the student's name in the first box, the student's email in the second box. In the third box, please include the parent or guardian's names that will be attending the Google Meet conference. Also, if an interpreter is needed, this is also where you would put that information as well, along with the language that is needed. Finally, click on the blue button that says Schedule Event. An email will be sent to both the student and the teacher. An event will also be created in both calendars for the student and the teacher. Then, on October 22nd or 27th, students and families use the iPad, open up the calendar, and join your online conferences at your specified times. Thank you, and see you online at conferences.